With a 2-year warranty, an 800-watt peak motor, and a range of 65 miles on a single charge, is the U16 worth your hard-earned money? Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. That's what we're going to find out as we unbox the U16, put it together, take it for a spin. Then like we always do, we're going to grade it on fit, form, and function. Here you go. Not a problem at all to assemble. Actually, it was pretty easy. They actually gave me some bike stands to kind of hold the bike in place while I put everything together, which was fantastic. In the box, though, here you have, very basic, okay, you have your battery charger, you have your owner's manual, and you get one of these Swiss Army knife toolkit things. I'm not a real big fan of those. I have my own tools. Most people are going to have their own tools to put this together. The wrench part of this thing is not fun to use, so I don't use that at all. But here she is. This is the U16 by Itstands, okay? If you want to go to the website, we're going to have more in the description box, but it is itstandsbike.com. With the U16, you get a 2-year warranty, which is fantastic. This is a 500-watt, 800-watt peak motor with 65 newton meters of torque. You get a 48-volt, 20-amp-hour battery that provides a 65-mile range under throttle only. If you want to do a little bit of pedaling, it's 80 miles of range, which is cool. 25 mile per hour top speed. This has a capacity of 400 pounds. As you can see, you get a front suspension, 60 millimeters of travel. These are tiny tires. These are 16 by 4-inch tires. That, it looks cool though. I think they look pretty cool. As you can see, it is a foldable electric bike, and you have an HD color display right there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to spend some time on it. We're going to take it for a ride. You're going to get to go with me. We'll have some fun, and then we're going to come back and we're going to grade it on fit, form, and function. So here we go. Key is on. Hit the memory button right here to power up your screen display. There you go. You have your battery level. It's already in miles per hour, which is great. You have the odometer, plus and minus for the pedal assist. You have your headlight button right here, which looks, there you go. And you do have a tail light right there, which is cool. I really like that. Is it a brake light too? It is, see? There you go. So you have headlights and a tail light combo. Love it, love it, love it. Time has come to take her for a spin. Absolutely. The U16, I will tell you, it's a small bike. I have raised the handlebar and I have raised the seat or the saddle, and I think everything is fine. I like the front basket, as you can see right here. It's just weird when it doesn't turn with the rest of the, the front assembly of the bike. None of them do, but it's just very useful, but it's just different because it's kind of like the hood of a car, but it's not because you can see through it. So anyway, let's see how we're doing here as far as the camera angle. Put it down like this. I will tell you, this is my knee in the riding position right here. I come this close. Can you see? There's my knee. This is the handle. So this is for smaller riders, absolutely. Okay, we have the key turned on. We have M for power, and to get into the menu system, we have 0.00 miles. Let's go to pedal assist. See how it goes up in the range. We'll go to 3, and we'll just go have some fun. I can tell you, I can feel the front fork working already. Okay, this is our throttle. Okay, so there's no There are no gears on this. It just hit me right out of the blue. There's no gears, so you get one gear to go, which is probably one of the reasons this is a very inexpensive bike. I don't want to say cheap because there's a difference in cheap and inexpensive. So let's just kind of see how she's doing right here. I can tell it's got a very short wheelbase. The front wheel and the rear wheel are very close to each other. I can feel the front fork working. This throttle is magnificent though. The brakes, they do try to stop. No, they bring it to a stop. It's nice. You're very upright. Oh gosh. Yeah, she really wants to go. See, we'll go up to you. It's an interesting riding position. You're not sitting in the bike, you are 100% on top of the bike. But it's quiet. The wheels are quiet. I can hear the hum of the motor. Hear that? There you go. That's 15 miles an hour, 16 miles an hour. Okay, we're going to go down the bumpy road. We'll come up Torque Hill and see how she does. This is not the greatest road. I have speed bumps, I have potholes. Little bike lane is marked right there on the road. And it does really well. Okay. I think the tires, these little bitty tires, 16, but they're 4-inch, so they're fat tires, and they're relatively tall. That's helping absorb some of the shock. There is no rear suspension. What a great little commuter bike this would be. You know, the fact that it folds? Absolutely. So cool. Okay, we're going to go up to 5 in pedal assist, and we're going to go up Torque Hill. But I'm going to say going down the hill here, hitting all the bumps, good job. Really good job. This is Torque Hill. So this is all the bike doing what it is supposed to do. Anything above 12 is a passing grade. We're at 15, 16, 17. Come on, little bike. 16.6, 15.5, 15.0, 14.3. This is where it gets really steep. 13.8, but we're staying above 12. 13.0. So this is a flat 13 miles an hour right here. Okay, we've gone to 12.9. I'll hold the camera here, make it a little easier for you. 12.6. 12.7, so we're staying above 12. 65 Newton meters of torque on what I imagine is a very light bike. That's a good thing. That's a really good thing. Okay, now we'll pick up speed. Top speed is 25, but you got to be pedaling, I think, to get there. So this is 16, 17, 18, 19, 19.7, 20, 20.7, 20.8, 21, 21.6. I gotta shut her down. Almost 22 miles an hour. And it felt good. This little bike is surprising me right here. Okay. Let's do some pedaling. You can feel the sensor come in. I like this. I think I really do. Let's just try to see how she does here. Oh yeah. Grippy tires. This would be a great little bike to put in the trunk of your car or your SUV. Or if you live, in the city, and you just want something to get to and from work, and you can kind of fold it up and put it under your desk. This would be it. She's fun. And the motor, the hum is very, very quiet. I mean, I can kind of hear it. I've had much, much louder motors. This is nice. This is a good, it feels much more than it is. You know what I'm saying? The price is so low. But look, yeah. Very surprising. It's the little bike that could. Yes, that's how I'm going to summarize this entire review. This little U16, it put a smile on my face. Now, as you can see, I'm 5'9". It's a smallish bike, okay? And you are pretty close to the handlebars when you are riding like this. But she did great during our review and our testing procedure. So, as far as fit, form, and function, let's go with fit. The way that the bike was packaged, the way that the bike was protected in the boxing. Did you see all the wrapping that they had, all the zip ties, all the foam, all the styrofoam, everything else? The bike is perfect. It was completely packaged just to the nines right there. It was easy to put together, minimal use of tools, and everything was very well protected. Form, the way the bike looks, I mean, it's a good looking bike. The one thing that I don't really like about it, and I don't know if you can see it behind this right here, but this is just a box, and you don't really notice it very much on this side because of the gear. But on the other side, it's just a box that's just kind of hanging down underneath. Other than that, I love that you have, you know, if you have somebody that wants to go with you for a quick little ride, a little person, it's going to have to be a little person because you're low to the ground back here, but it's a comfortable ride here. You have the front basket. I love the grips. I really, really do. The handlebar is a little bit straight for me. I wish there was a curve to it, but this is a very, like I keep saying, inexpensive bike, and it's on the smallish side. So as far as form, we're going to give it a B. Function, I wish it had some gears. I really do. It's a one-gear bike, which may not seem like a lot. All you have to do is use the throttle to get you up a hill because you're going to be pedaling really, really fast. Other than that, it made it up the hill. It made it down the test where we tested out the suspension just fine. The tires are quiet. The motor is quiet. I don't have any complaints at all other than it is a one-gear bike. So we're going to give it a B for that. Overall, we're going to give the U16 a B+. You do get a 2-year warranty, which is fantastic. It will hold 400 pounds, which is fantastic, and it will fold, which is fantastic as well. We're going to have more information in the description box below, but I do highly encourage you, if you're looking to get into the field of electric bikes, you want something to kind of toot around in, this will be perfect for you. All right, everybody, big thanks to everybody. From right here, Itstands, the U16, you need to go and check it out, all right? Thanks for watching. We're back with another electric bike review very, very soon, okay? Bye-bye.